Good evening, class 10 and 9 SEE vectors for 10 marks. Without wasting time, I start. Set 3, question number 5. Define or state the triangle of vector addition. के होला त भन्दा it states that if two sides of a triangle denote two vectors, means two vectors in order, comma, their resultant is denoted by the third side taken in the reverse order. That means PQ plus QR equal PR. One example, PQ plus QR, two sides of a triangle, two vectors. Their resultant उल्टोबाट PQ plus QR PR बाट देखाइन्छ. In the same way, QP plus PR QR. In the same way, RP plus PQ RQ. This is to be done. Triangle of vector addition. Question number 5A. Question number 10A, which I have written here. Question number 10A. If a vector B is equal to 6i plus twice j, that means 6 2 x1 y1, and or find a vector A perpendicular to vector B whose length along the x-axis is 3 units. भन्नाले यो A र B छ, भेक्टर A र भेक्टर B को नि परपेंडिकुलर टु इच अदर छन्. भेक्टर B को भ्यालु थाहा छ, A को भ्यालु निकाल्नु पर्छ. सोलुसन, since it is of 2 marks, you have to write this one is suppose x2 y2, or it is not necessary. Vector B, given vector B equal 6i plus twice j, that means 6 2 x2 y2. Let vector A equal x1 y1. Vector A is x1 y1 whose length along the x-axis is 3 unit. X को भ्यालु चाहिँ 3 छ भने 3y1. along x-axis भन्यो भने x equal 3, y-axis भन्यो भने y equal 3. Vector A is perpendicular to vector B. A is perpendicular to vector B, therefore A dot B equal 0, or A dot B is x1 x2 plus y1 y2 equal 0 according to the property. X1 value, see what is the value of x1? See, x1 value is 3, x2 value is 6, y1 value is y1, y2 value is 2 equal 0. 3 6 are 18 plus 2y1 equal 0, or 2y1 equal minus 18, or y1 equal minus 9. Therefore, what is the value? x1 y1. That means x1 is already 3, y1 is minus 9. This can be written as 3i minus 9j. और यसलाई चेक गर्ने तरिका 6 3 जा 18, 2 9 जा 18, प्लस माइनस क्यान्सल हुन्छ. This is 10A. Our 10B, very short question. Apply the property A dot B equal 0. Perpendicular हुँदा A dot B equal 0. If they are parallel, Vector A is K times vector B. B number midpoint theorem. See, midpoint theorem is this. O A B M. यहाँ नाम जे पनि दिन सक्छ एरो यसरी दिएको छ यो यस्तो यो दिएको छ this is given A, this is given B, this is given M. You see the diagram in the figure. OA equal A, OB, vector OB equal B, vector OM equal M, and M is the midpoint of AB. Prove that, prove means prove vectorially that M equal half of A plus B vector. Solution. Everything is given in the figure. The same thing, the same diagram. You have to write in triangle OAM. OAM. What can you write? OM. OM equal OA plus AM. Why? Triangle law of vector addition. Triangle law of vector addition. कसरी OM भनेर OA plus AM. See direction. OM equal M. OA equal A. But AM भनेको half AB. Because M is the midpoint of AB. M equal A. LCW twice A plus A vector AB by 2 equal twice A. AB भनेको AO plus OB upon 2. Using triangle law in triangle, AB भन्नाले AO plus OB. यहाँ लेखौँ triangle law in triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, AB equal AO plus OB. AO plus OB. अब यसलाई के गर्नु पर्यो? OM equal OA plus AM. AM equal half of AB. AB भनेको AO plus OB गर्ने. अब के गर्नु पर्यो? यहाँ यसलाई म मेटिदिन्छु. Or small m vector m equal twice A को twice A लेखौँ plus AO भनेको minus OA plus OB भनेको small b given upon 2 or small m equal twice A minus OA equal A plus b upon 2. By simplifying, m equal half 2A minus A plus B. Proved. Then it is the midpoint formula. M equal half A plus B or A plus B by 2 using the midpoint formula or midpoint theorem directly. Question number 24. Vectorially prove that the diagonals of a rhombus intersect, not only intersect, they bisect each other at 90 degree. That means orthogonally or perpendicularly. रोम्बस को डायगोनलहरु चाहिँ के हुन्छ त एक आपसमा perpendicularly बाइसेक्ट जस्तो यस्तो यस्तो छ. कसरी देखाउने त? यो छ भने यसमा अब A B C D लिने, यो चाहिँ बाइसेक्ट हुन्छ. यो एंगल 90 डिग्री देखाउनलाई AC र BD को डट प्रोडक्ट 0 हुनुपर्छ. You just remember the property. What are the properties? What do you mean by rhombus? All sides are equal. So all sides equal भएकोलाई rhombus भनिन्छ. All sides equal, but no angle is 90 degree. The theorem is the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. What is the converse of the theorem? If the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at 90 degree, prove that it is a rhombus. Rhombus हो भने diagonal 90 degree मा bisect हुन्छन्. Theorem. यदि कुनै पनि parallelogram को diagonalहरू के हुन्छन् त एक आपसमा 90 degree मा bisect हुन्छन् भने त्यो rhombus हो. Rhombus हो भने diagonal bisect at 90 degree. If diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree, it is a rhombus. यसलाई लेख्ने तरिका solution. Solution, prove vectorially that the diagonals of a rhombus first make a rhombus. Given condition is this. Given condition make a rhombus. Rhombus A, B, C, D is a rhombus. What is given? Just see the diagram. Given is A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Meaning all sides are equal. It is not necessary to write A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A. All sides are equal. AC and BD are the two diagonals. Next time I will prove that. I will prove the converse of this theorem. यसको theorem अर्को दिनमा prove गर्नेछु. Given मा ABCD is a rhombus, AC and BD are diagonals. To prove AC is perpendicular to BD. Perpendicular to BD भनेर prove गर्नलाई dot product 0 देखाउनु पर्छ. Again remember the property A dot A is perpendicular to B. That means A dot B equal 0. If A dot B equals 0, then they are perpendicular. Perpendicular is dot product 0. Dot product 0, perpendicular. We have to prove perpendicular. So dot product must be 0. Proof. In triangle ABC, AC equal what? AC equal AB plus BC. That is the AC equal AB plus BC. That is the triangle law of vector addition. Triangle law of vector addition. Or AC equal AB को AB. यसलाई यतिकै छोड्न पनि मिल्छ. BC यसलाई BC यसलाई यसरी BC plus AB लेख्नु मिल्छ. Equation number 1. AC value in triangle BCD. In triangle BCD, BD equal what? BD equal BC plus CD. BC plus CD. Triangle law of vector addition. Triangle law of vector addition. Or BD equal BC को BC plus CD and the CD equal BA. Because CD equal BA. In compulsory math, you can write CD equal AB. But in optional math, in vector, CD equal BA, AB equal BC. Direction पनि हेर्नु पर्ने छ. BC plus AB छ. What is the given? Vectorially, ABCD is the rhombus, AC and BD are the diagonals. BD को value BC plus BA छ. सम्झिराख्नु. यो फिगर नोट और BD equal BC को BC plus BA is minus AB vector. Question number 2. Taking the dot product we get AC dot BD. What is the value of AC dot BC? AC को value already proves AC equal BC plus AB. BC plus AB dot BD भनेको BC minus AB. BC minus AB. Already written the value. In algebra, AB plus A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Algebra. Because A plus B into A minus B equal 0. A plus B into A minus B equal A square minus B square. Algebra. Simple algebra. Factorization. BC. When you square a vector, it becomes a scalar. BC square minus AB square. It is 0. Why? As AB equal BC equal CD equal DA numerically. Numerically, AB, BC, CD and DA are equal. So, by taking AC dot BD, BC plus AB dot BC minus AB. A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square. यो स्क्वायर हटाउने, यो स्क्वायर गर्दा यो भेक्टर पनि हट्छ, AB square. BC and AB are numerically equal. BC and AB are numerically equal. So it is 0. यसको भ्यालु x भ्यालु क्यान्सल भएर 0 हुन्छ. Means AC dot BD equal 0. Therefore AC is perpendicular to BD according to if A dot B equal 0, then you can write A is perpendicular to vector B. AC is perpendicular to vector. Proved. Again, the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Given case of ABCD is a rhombus, AC and BD are diagonals. To prove AC is perpendicular to BD, proof मा चाहिँ in triangle ABC take AC equal AB plus BC vector. Vector AC equal vector AB plus vector BC. Triangle. In triangle BCD, vector BD equal vector BC plus CD. Triangle law of vector addition. Now take the dot product AC dot BD. AC dot BD is BC plus AB dot BC minus AB equal BC vector BC square minus vector AB square equal BC square minus AB square. Vector को स्क्वायर गरेपछि यो स्केलर हुन्छ किनभने AB र AB को बीचमा एंगल 0 हुन्छ, cos 0 डिग्री इज 1 हुन्छ. त्यसैले स्क्वायर गरेपछि भेक्टर स्केलर हुन्छ, 0 हुन्छ. डट प्रोडक्ट इज 0. AC dot BD equals 0. It means AC is perpendicular to BD. Proved. So the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Because the dot product is 0, it means they are perpendicular to each other. See, perpendicular to each other, so 90 degree. The converse of this theorem is if the diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. If the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at 90 degree, the parallelogram is a rhombus. Rhombus हो भने diagonal 90 degree मा bisect हुन्छन्. कुनै पनि parallelogram मा diagonal 90 degree मा bisect हुन्छ भने त्यो rhombus नै हुनुपर्छ. जस्तो हेर्नु त, यस्तो खालको छ, यस्तो खालकोमा this angle is not 90 degree. This is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. This is also a parallelogram, but it is a special type of parallelogram whose all sides are equal. Diagonals are not equal. Here diagonals are not equal. Here diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. But one difference, के फरक छ त भन्दा diagonals don't bisect each other, but the angle is not 90 degree. Here diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. That is the difference.